Okay, I think I'm going to try to finish the front end first. So I'll start with the clutch lever, the left grip, and then the front brakes. So master cylinder, lever, calipers. And then maybe I'll work my way towards the back, the drive chain, rear brakes, rear wheel, sprockets, all that. Okay, so first let's start with the clutch lever. You really need a bleed. Assembly first. My old rear axle had some damage on it, so I got a new one on eBay. They went and stuck a sticker right on the axle. And I think I broke my torque wrench. I guess I'll call it a day. Just got to remember to torque down that rear axle. Okay, so I ordered a torque wrench because I don't know what happened to this, but this is a cheap Harbor Freight one anyway, so we need to buy a new one. Should come on Tuesday. In the meantime, I got some work on the tank I could do, but first I'll just put this grip on the left handlebar. Okay, that should do it.